Alex Anderson, and I have really gotten into hand embroidery. In fact, I did when I was a little girl too. But anyways, I think one of the challenges of a hand embroidery is getting the stitches even. And there's lots of different ways you can do it. For instance, you could use like this Quilter Select self-erase marker and just make little tag marks. But when we were taping, I learned a really cool trick from a grandma. Come on over, let's take a look and I'll explain it to you. In fact, I learned this specifically from Lee Chappell Monroe of May Chapel. Her grandma was a prolific quilter as well as her mom, and she showed this to me and it was life-changing. So what you can do is you take your thumbnail, get a Sharpie, and decide how long you want your stitches to be. I'm gonna do a chain stitch, okay? I'll get on there with that little Sharpie. There you go. I want my chain stitch to be that long. Note, I'm marking my thumbnail and not the quilt. So I'm going to start with where the thread came up here. Here is the first stitch. Here is the first mark. And then I'm going to come up to where the second mark is. See that? Yep. And then I'm going to take this mark and I'm going to shoot for this mark. Yep, looks good to me. Again, you could mark it with a pen of some sort, but I just think this is so clever and so straightforward. It's like one of those, why didn't I think of that? So Lee, I hope Grandma's watching from up above because this is just a rock star tip. And what I say to that, everyone, is stitch on.